Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Chaffee. Welcome to Weather in 5 days and 5 minutes on this Thursday, August the 15th, 2019. We are going to be dealing with August dog days from now right through at least the first half of next week. Not much is going to change. We're going to see during the day warm and humid conditions, at least through Saturday. I'm describing it as warm, with temperatures topping out mostly in the upper 70s and low 80s today and Friday, and low to mid 80s on Saturday. And then as we get to Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, the thermometers are going to head up, and we're talking upper 80s to maybe lower 90s for those 3 days as we get a bit of a wind shift, which will be from the east or northeast today and Friday, starts to bend around to the south on Saturday, and then goes southwest or westerly for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So let's take a look at what we expect just specifically with high temperatures for today. You can see most areas generally in the low 80s, even down into the Washington, D.C., Baltimore area. The warmest spots might push it up to 84 or 5. But from southern New England down through New Jersey and Pennsylvania and the Hudson Valley and going down into Maryland and Virginia, we are seeing temperatures topping out mostly upper 70s and low 80s. There might be a little bit of humidity relief coming for areas from northernmost New Jersey to maybe about New York City and Long Island, north up the Hudson Valley and northeast into Connecticut, because we're seeing drier air that's on the satellite, and it's reflected on the surface observations. It's trying to bleed southward, but that's as far south as it gets, and it gets in here maybe later today and lasts at best overnight into first thing Friday morning before it climbs right back up. Everybody else, you're humid until further notice. And as we check out that surface map this morning, which also shows there's not much going on radar-wise. We see very few echoes, if any at all. Way upstate New York, you got some south of Syracuse and north of Binghamton, and that really is about it. We are well, now I lost my observations, having, I guess, a little bit of internet access issues here. So let's look at our surface map, where we've got this stalled frontal boundary out to the east. It is keeping us close enough to this area of moisture that is sitting offshore, but it's not, these waves are weak, so we're not seeing one area of rain and downpours organizing and moving to the northeast, which would ruin the day. This is just a very flat-looking frontal boundary. You can see it on the satellite. There are clouds, but there's not a whole lot happening. The clouds from North Carolina east-northeastward are moving from west to east, but you'll notice that the clouds just north of the frontal boundary are moving northeast to southwest. And then just north of there, where you see the clear skies across upstate New York, down into northern Pennsylvania and into Connecticut, Rhode Island, and just about reaching Long Island, that is that dry air I'm talking about that's trying very, very hard to bleed in here. So with respect to high temperatures, as we said, mostly lower 80s today, upper 70s and low 80s, a little bit cooler at the shore, and we're going to be pretty much in the same place for tomorrow. Temperatures might get up a little bit higher as you get down into southern New Jersey. We're talking maybe some mid and upper 80s there, and also down into Maryland and Virginia. Saturday will be the first day that I would start to call hot, with areas up around 90. Southern New Jersey, upper 80s and low 90s, northeast Virginia, south central, southeastern PA, southern New Jersey, and low to mid 80s up everywhere else. Sunday, I think it's just hot everywhere, and this is going to be the case for Monday and Tuesday as well, as we see our temperatures boosted up, reaching up into the upper 80s and low 90s everywhere. Apologize for the hang-up issues here with regards to the internet. Nothing going on in the tropics, by the way. It's very, very quiet there. And the next cold front for us is not due until next Tuesday late, with some showers and storms. So until then, it's just the pop-up showers and storms that are going to be widely scattered or isolated in nature. The vast majority of you will not see them. So this is it for Weather in 5 today. It's pretty straightforward, and I actually did it in under 5 minutes. So have a great rest of your Thursday. Please travel safely. There will be no YouTube show tonight. I'm going to take a little bit of downtime today to take care of some issues. And we will see you probably tomorrow right here on Weather in 5.